Hey, here we are again, YouTube. 2001 Ford Expedition 4.6 liter, and he brought it to me. He's called me 3 times, and then finally he brought it in after he's had all the coils changed, all the plugs changed, fuel filter changed, numerous things. He wouldn't even tell me what he had done, but I can obviously see it's all brand new. First thing I did, I drove it, and I pulled my codes. P0171, and I had an EVAP code also, which I'll chase. But the main thing is, he says it makes a popcorn sound. Had to drive it a lot to get it to act up, and this is what I found right here. This is pretty simple anyway. Fuel specs are, this is 30 to 50, was it?
30 to 45.
30 to 45 spec. I drove it, finally my fuel pressure dropped down. No volume, it has a new fuel filter on it. So we got a bad fuel pump on it. Also, I'm going to tell you that there's a honking sound, or there was, and I went ahead and repaired that. So you get these and you hear a honking sound coming through right here, through your air filter area, and you don't have any holes or anything in this thing. A lot of times it's that IAC valve right there, control, right there doing the throttling. So no power, P0171. Fix is going to be a fuel pump, and I'll follow up if he authorizes me to show you. It'd be boring, but anyway, show you good fuel pressure. About to stall out right now. Thanks for watching. Tune in. We'll do some more. All right, we're back. 2001 Expedition 4.6 fuel pumps replaced. Would have shot that video. We so busy couldn't have a camera guy to navigate through all that so you can see what was going on. Sorry about that, but anyway. Pressure 32. She's home. We had like 15 to 20 before. So that's a fix. You can current ramp these fuel pumps sometimes to see issues. We'll do that one day, some current ramping on some different circuits. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Many more to come.